Before we begin, please press the subscribe button and turn on notification bell to be the first to get notified each time I release new interesting videos on days, and smash the like button. God bless you.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I want to congratulate you guys if you have been following my Cattley updates. I want to congratulate you. Right now, I'm this video right now to let you know that there's a very important update which you must not joke with. Cattley is here to stay, and it is here to stay, so don't joke with it. I want to show you a very important update and an offer. Right now, I'm currently logging into my Cattley account. So if you are on this video, I want you to take advantage of this offer. Alright guys, I'm right now on my account. As you can see, I have been staking Cattley for the past 2 weeks right now, and I've been able to generate lots of tokens. And you can see this is my Cattley token, and my Cattley token over 2,475 Cattley token. And right now, as I've told you in my previous video, that rushing to withdraw is not the best idea right now, because we're expecting the token to pump up as soon as the Cattley program launch officially, which is going to be anytime soon. As you can see, if you have already signed up for your Cattley account and you are staking with the free airdrop, it's going to expire very soon, because as soon as your airdrop expires, it will no longer stake for you again. It can no longer stake for you, because the airdrop will enable you to be receiving 15 Cattley tokens profit every day for 15 days, and then after that it's going to unstake. And once it's unstake, your dashboard is going to be reading 00. That means it's not going to be yielding you any more staking profit any longer. So guys, I want you to make sure you purchase tokens. Purchasing tokens is the only way that you can earn about $80,322, which I'm going to show you the income calculation right now. I'm going to show you from this dashboard how Cattley have made it possible for you to make over $80,322. Now, as you can see, this is my Cattley dashboard. I've been staking for some time, and a lot of people have joined my Cattley community staking. A lot of people have joined. As you can see, I'm in my level 1. I've already had about 100 referrals. In my level 2, 85 referrals. Level 3, 41 referrals. Level 4, 40 referrals, and on and so on and so on. So I am offering you a very good deal right now. As you can see, if you have already signed up for Cattley and you have not purchased token, use this opportunity right now and go and purchase your token. As soon as you purchase your token, send me your referral link. I'm going to generate referrals under your Cattley, 5 referrals. Now here is the deal. I'm going to give you a calculated income of the number of amount of token and amount of dollars you are going to earn in the next 1 month if 5 people is taken under your Cattley account and you have purchased Cattley pre-sale tokens, and also your 5 people have also purchased your Cattley token account. So let's go right to the income calculator right now to view the amount of Cattley tokens and dollars you are going to earn in 30 days if 5 people joins your Cattley token referral program. Right now, 5 people join and they also invite 5 people. So this is what you're going to earn. So I'm clicking on calculate right now. As you can see this from level 1, 5 people, level 2, 25 people, level 3, 125 people, level 4, 625 people, level 5, 3,125 people, up to level 10 levels deal. As you can see, wow, you can see $80,322 at the current Cattley token price. That is going to be your income at the end of 30 days. So I have a very good strategy that I'm offering you a deal right now. So I want you to take my deal. If you have signed up for Cattley, what you need to do, go and purchase token. If you don't know how to purchase token, DM me, send me a message, and I'll assist you to purchase token to your Cattley account. So what you need to do right now, as soon as you sign up, there is a link below this video description. Use it to sign up if you have not signed up for Cattley yet, because this income project is going to be great. As you can see, in 30 days you'll be making $80,322 if you take my deal. Now the deal is that as soon as you sign up and you purchase your Cattley token, minimum of $5. I'm only going to consider people that purchase Cattley token minimum of $5. As soon as you purchase your Cattley token, send me your referral link. I'm going to generate referrals under your link. I'm going to be placing 5 referrals under your link. So if I am placing 5 referrals under your link, as you can see in my level 1, I've already have 100 referrals, so I do not need any more referrals under my level 1, under my level 2, under my level 3, and up to my level 4. So if you are a serious-minded person and you really want to earn something for your life, you really want to earn a passive income online, I want you to take this update very serious. Take my deal. If you have signed up for Cattley before, just go ahead, log into your Cattley and click on buy. Come right here and click on buy. buy token. Click on buy. As soon as you click on buy, it will take you to the buy page. After clicking on buy, it will take you to the buy page where you will be directed on how to purchase your token. As soon as the buy page opens, as you can see, I've already shown you how to buy Cattley token in my previous video. So as soon as you come to this page, you just click on copy this BEP to the USDT address, and go to any wallet, any exchanger wallet. You can send USDT to this address. Make sure it's a BEP20 address is only supported. So send it to this address, minimum of $1. But if you are purchasing Cattley and you are taking my deal, make sure you buy at least $5. If you buy at least $5, you can, after that, just contact me. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number, how you can reach me, in the video description below. Contact me and DM me and send me a message that you have purchased the token, and also send me your referral link. As soon as you send me your referral link, I'm going to plug it into my traffic rotator, and it's going to, within 1 to 2 hours, you are going to have 5 downlines under you. And I'm also going to offer the same deal to your 5 referrals. So they are going to be purchasing pre-sale tokens under your Cattley network. They are going to, as they are purchasing tokens, you are going to be earning commission. As you can see right now, here is my total commission I've earned just in 2 weeks. I've earned 1,261.48 Cattley tokens. You can see in my level 1 commission, I've earned over 684 tokens, and in my level 2, I've earned more than 400 tokens in my level 3. So you can see, if everyone is purchasing tokens, you just need 5 people that will purchase tokens worth $5, and also they will also get their 5. They will get their 5 downloads from my campaign. I'm throwing a very big campaign on Cattley token, so they will get 5 people that I'm going to place under them that will also purchase tokens. So as soon as you get your 5 will purchase token, their 5 will purchase Cattley token. This is going to be your income at the end of the month. Let me show you. This is going to be your income at the end of the month. In level 1, this is going to be what you are going to be earning from your first 5 downline. Level 2, 25 downlines. They are going to generate you more than $2. In level 3, that is about 125 people are going to generate you about $10. In level 4, 625 people are going to generate you more than $40. In level 5, about 3,125 people are going to generate you more than $100. And then in level 6, about 15,000 plus people are going to generate you more than $700. Up to level 10, that you are going to be earning $80,322. So guys, I want you to jump into this update. Take my deal. As soon as you sign up, if you have signed up before, just go to your Cattley account, press on buy here and buy tokens. If you don't know how to buy, contact me via my WhatsApp number and request for me to guide you. If you want me to buy tokens for you, I'll buy tokens for you. You can pay with other payment methods. You can pay with bank, with Tron, with Bitcoin. So right now, I want you to know that the Cattley community is fast growing, and even a lot of people are really jumping into this update. This is income you earn even while you sleep. As you can see, one Cattley currently is worth $0.004. And right now, you can withdraw and buy back the Cattley token to your Binance account at $0.033. So right now, as soon as the community holders have grown or have achieved 10,000 holders, Cattley is going to pump. The price of Cattley is going to pump up to 0.065, and it's going to be listed in SEC exchange. And once it's pumped, I'm going to show you what is going to be if you are holding about, let's assume you have accumulated about 5,000 tokens. How much is going to be the worth of 5,000 tokens dollar as soon as the price of Cattley pumps up to $0.065? Let me show you the calculator. Let's calculate how much you are going to make when the price of Cattley pumps up to 0.065. All right, guys. Here's my calculator. Let's calculate what is going to be the value of your income as soon as Cattley is being listed on SEC and the price becomes $0.065 right now. Okay, let's take for example right now. As you can see, guys, this is my dashboard right now. I'm going to show you how much you are going to be earning. Right now, I'm going to show you the amount of Cattley token that you are going to have after the Cattley has been officially launched. So right now, I'm going to show you. Currently, right now, I have about 2,475 Cattley tokens, and by the time Cattley is being listed in SEC, the price is going to pump up to 0.065 tokens. So how much is 2,475 Cattley token going to worth after it has been launched? So let's go back to my calculator. here is my calculator. So I'm calculating right now. So right now, that is 0.065 times 2,475. So that means it's going to worth $160, $160.875 as soon as Cattley price pumps up to 0.065 and it is being launched. And I want you to know that the expected amount of this token is still going to increase. We are expecting it to pump up to $1. So for instance, if I have over 10,000 Cattley token, how much is it going to worth when at the price of $0.065? So you can see 10,000 is going to worth about $650. And if it is 100,000 tokens, it's going to worth about $6,500. So I want you to know that the amount you are using to purchase this token is very minimal. It's a low income investment system that you can just invest into it and you will start making money. It is not a high investment system. It's a low investment system which you can afford. $5 minimum to purchase Cattley token, I don't think is something too much for you to do for yourself to change your life. So I want you to take my deal. As soon as you have purchased your Cattley token, make sure you go to the buy page and buy Cattley token. After you have buy Cattley token, come to my contact link in my WhatsApp number, via my WhatsApp number, and send me a message requesting that, and send me a message that you have purchased Cattley token, and also send me your referral link. I'm going to place 5 active referral under you that will buy tokens under you, and you will start earning income. So guys, I want you to jump into this update and take this deal. If you don't know how to purchase token, also contact me and request and make a request that you want me to buy you tokens, and I'm going to give you the steps on. I'm going to practically fund your Cattley token account with the amount of token you purchase, but from $5 and above. You can buy $20, you can buy $100. Minimum of $5 is what I help you to buy. So because of fees, USDT fees in my exchange wallet. So right now, I want you to take this deal, and I'll see you in the member area. Thank you very much.
This system is worldwide and available to everyone in all countries.